Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a combo animation in the CapCut app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the CapCut app. And here it usually opens up in the home menu where our projects are. We select the project that we want to edit. And here in the project, we have to select the clip that we want to add an animation to. So it's this one. After we select the clip, in the bottom bar, we see the animation button. We tap on it, and then from this row, we have to select the combo section. And here from this section, we can select any kind of animation that we like. You just have to tap on it, and after it loads, we set the duration, and then tap on OK, and it saves it like that. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.